If you've ever been in a close game on chess.com and wanted to offer a draw, this video will show you exactly how to do it quickly and correctly. Whether you're playing a friendly match or a serious game and both players want to end in a draw, the process is simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure it is your turn to move. On chess.com, you cannot offer a draw at any random moment. You need to wait until it is your move before you can continue. So if your opponent is thinking, just pause and wait until the board is ready for your turn. Once it is your turn, make your move on the board first. This is an important step, because the draw offer is usually made after you've completed your move. So go ahead and play your move normally, just like you would in any other turn. After your move is made, look at the game control panel on the chess.com screen. In most cases, you'll find it near the bottom right area of the board. This is where you'll see different game options like resigning or other match controls. What you want to look for is the draw button. It usually has an icon that looks like two shaking hands, which makes it easy to identify. Once you find the draw button, click it. As soon as you do, chess.com will display a pop-up asking you to confirm the draw offer. This confirmation step is there so you don't accidentally send the offer by mistake. In the pop-up, click Yes to confirm. That sends the draw offer to your opponent. At that point, your opponent can accept it, and if they do, the game will end in a draw. That's really all there is to it. You wait for your turn, make your move, click the draw button in the game controls, and then confirm with yes in the pop-up. It only takes a few seconds once you know where everything is. If you are looking for the easiest way to offer a draw on chess.com, hopefully this guide made it clear and simple. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to see more chess.com tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.